Yeah, thank you, Ruchi, for giving me this opportunity. So, let me introduce myself. I Kanchan Burade from Passenger Drone Research Private Limited, and I'm going to talk about drones in infrastructure. So, before that, just little about my company. Uh, Basically, we create simplest software in the drone domain, like AeroGCS, AeroStream, kind of aero capture kind of services. uh, we know that what matters the most to our keeping this a software solution using cutting edge technology. And we at PDRL think simplicity brings the freedom, and freedom to focus what matter most. Simplicity is in technology makes your life and business fun. So we focus on creating the simplest yet the powerful solution. So here we mostly focus on the problems nowadays we face, that most of the drone operation from the drone flying to data collection, data extraction, and the presentation are done manually. So we offer end-to-end software technology for the drone automation and for the drone data analytics. So here is a AeroGCS software which actually helps in planning the drone mission, which captures the data in one click, and same can be synced with the cloud, and that data can be processed with the drone Naksha, the small service we provide, and that can be analyzed with the help of aero capture also. And so many analytics reports get generated, summary or detailed reports get generated to just see the progress or the analysis of the images captured by the drone or the videos captured by the drone. So this is the aero capture service where we capture the data, we capture the high resolution images and the videos. I'll go with the infrastructure. The drones in infrastructure. The infrastructures mainly includes the construction sites, towers, and electrical grids, highways, bridge, and the pipelines. So how are drone used in construction site? So for the safety inspection, surveying, tracing development, real-time quality monitoring, inventory management, volumetric estimations, and structural integrity maintenance. So I'll talk about safety inspections. Mostly contractor or supervisor may want to monitor if everyone on the site are following the safety precautions or not, like if they are wearing the safety gears or the helmets or not. So that can be monitored only just by planning one drone visit. Then surveying to collect the high resolution aerial data required for the photogrammetry without hindering any ongoing constructions or the activities. Then for the tracing development, staying informed with all stakeholders involved in the construction process is a vital progress report. It's a great way to keep the track of all the activities going on the construction site. The data captured by the drone is so accurate and timely informed that can be transformed into the reports for the future quality as well. Inventory management, keeping the track of all the materials, equipments on the on-site is challenging task for the contractors of the engineers on the site. So by using the photogrammetry, I mean the aerial data captured by the drone, and we apply the photogrammetry that captures the drone data, can help us to keep the eye on these kind of assets. Volumetric estimations, there are so many assets on the construction sites. So it estimates the size of the material entering and leaving the site. For example, the stockpile measurement results in preserve the time and the funds for the user also. Structural integrity maintenance, regular quality checks, and like the elevation should be carried out to avoid the future problems. Identifying and inspecting any structure vulnerability eliminates all the problems. This is how drone can provide the service. The aerial photography can be done, and it will help to generate the 3D model. Here are the images. You can see 2D ortho rectified model. then the 3D ortho rectified model, NDVI analysis, and the elevation model. Then also using all these things, we can do the site documentation. This data can be shared within all the stakeholders. It can be stored at one place only, and this data will be very useful for actual comparison with the design and its revisions. So this is how the drone Naksha helps in creating the orthomosaic NDVI and the elevation models. And this is how, with the help of drone Naksha and the aero capture, the small services we provide at PDRL, it generates this kind of report. With the help of this report, any kind of infrastructure can be monitored, inspect, and anyone can analyze the data with the help of this. So thank you, Ruchi. That's it from my side. Hello.
Thank you so much, Kanchan.
Yeah.
PDR is one of the companies in India that I really respect and admire. And this was truly
thank you.
With whatever you guys do, I'm always a fan of whatever you come up with. And you give a serious competition to all the international players, and that's the best part about PDRL.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.